Today we're going to look at how we can easily sort data that we have in a table. So the first thing I always like to do is I like to make a copy so that way I don't mess up my original. So I'm just going to duplicate this, and then once I've done that I want to make sure that I select all of the data. The easiest way is just to click right up here, and now I'll see everything as selected. Then I'm going to click on data and I'm going to click on sort range. If I have headers, and in this case I do, I want to click on data has header row. And what that does is allows me to sort by the different categories. So in this exercise, I want to sort by the team's batting average. So I'm going to go down to average, and I want the highest team first, so I want it descending. And then I'm going to add another sort. I want to see which teams have the most RBIs. So I'm going to again do descending, and what should happen is when I sort this, I should see all the teams in order by batting average first, and then if a team has a tie for the batting average, I should see the team that has the highest RBI total next. I'm going to click on sort. If we look at our average column, then what we'll see is they are in order. As I get down here to Washington, I see they and Colorado both have the same batting average, but Washington appears first because my secondary sort was for RBIs. Thanks for watching this video on how to sort data in a table within Google Sheets. If you have any questions, reach out to me at my email address.